Time is 12:21. It's Wednesday, the 21st of May. My name is Dwayne Fredlow. We're at Fort Nelson Airport, checking out the forestry and the choppers and the planes. Very quiet out here. See all the choppers all ready to go. Looks like he's gassing that one up, fueling it up, whatever. Got some bigger choppers here. That's Wildcat. Not sure where they're from. Got the planes ready to go. Lots of planes ready to go. And across it, you can see the forestry got trailers loaded up. To all the shut-ins, those that can't make it out, welcome. We are at the Fort Nelson Airport. Seen a chopper earlier with a bucket heading north. The time is 12:11. That almost looks like it has 4 blades on it. Not sure what kind of chopper that is. Or maybe 3. That could be an A-Star. Bell Jet Ranger has 2 blades. These A-Star has 3 blades. They have a little more power than Jet Ranger or Long Ranger. Jet Ranger is a chopper, and the exact same chopper, they call it a Long Ranger. All they did was add a seat into it. So Jet Ranger and a Long Ranger are pretty much the exact same. But this A-Star has 3 blades, a little more power. I can hear a chopper coming in. Better sound. Let's see if we can find this chopper. Certainly you can hear a chopper flying in. It might be that one with that big bucket on it. Oh, there it is. Where is that son of a gun? Where are you going, Betty? He's going back there somewhere. And we could see this thing here. Where is this? Let's have a look at this meter here. Can we read that meter? Oh yeah, there she is. This tells how much radio frequency. This little meter we got going here. RF means radio frequencies. That we got it on RF. So right now we're at, it's 0.07, 04 to 07. But when you go closer to that big tower, cell towers, this thing goes up to about 12 point something. Still haven't figured it out yet, but whatever it is, that guy said is bad for you. But that's what we got here is the tri-field meter. It's actually pretty cool to find out what is going through the air. This is at Fort Nelson Airport. Very quiet today. We have lots of dandelions. It's that time of season. Dandelions. 1 year ago, 1 year ago today, March the 21st, whatever it is, this field here was right full of tents. And now it's right full of dandelions. We got to be very thankful we don't have a bunch of fires this year. But last year this thing was right full of tents, firefighters' tents. In the old days, these dandelions were people would use them and they'd make dandelion wine with them. I haven't found the ingredients, and I'm just thankful I never acquired a taste for it. But these dandelions do come in handy. This is what's happening at the airport today. It's 20 above Celsius. High clouds, a bit of wind. Forestry's on standby. Over here, BC Forest Service is their little house. And all those gray barrels are full of that. Those gray tanks are full of that fire retardant that they use for the chopper, the planes when it gets busy. But thankfully, we don't have much rain this year. We don't have any fires around Fort Delaware. Well, we have a few little fires around, but not many. We've had fires ever since this town was created. Nothing really to worry about. There is an orange light blinking there on the end of that chopper. Why? That is called a A-star. 3-pronged chopper. This is probably a Bell. Maybe not a Bell, that looks like a 212. It almost looks like they have water barrels underneath it. And those are the technicians, mechanics. Wildcat, they're both Wildcats. That's what we have at the airport today. To all the shut-ins, those that can't make it out, welcome. Have a wonderful day. If we hear anything up and coming, we'll try to find it. To all those near and far, boys and girls, welcome. My name is Dwayne Lowe. Have a wonderful day.